there's obviously an element of kicking the can down the road, in terms of, continuing to finance companies. But, I think it's very difficult to really say what company is going to be, I would say, viable or not viable in the near term. So I think that that's going to be a it's going to be a very subjective de determining factor. So, for example, nothing to hide again. AirAsia came up with, a loss yesterday, 950 million. Is AirAsia a viable business? It's hard to say. It really is, right? Because, I think for some, they still believe that that is still the right model, which is a low-cost carrier serving, people in the region, serving people locally. So the answer is that it's hard to say, but I think each bank will have to make its own decision with regards to which business it chooses to back. Similarly, I think equity investors will also need to make that decision as and where companies come to the market for rights issuances, for placements. So, we've already seen that in the fixed income markets where, strong clients have been able to tap 10-year money, 15-year money. And these are, some names even in the construction type sector where, their equity has been taking a hit, but still people believe in the long-term viability of these companies. So I think, more to the question, I think it's difficult to really say, which company is non-viable and therefore which one you want to pull the plug on. And I'm not sure that any of us can independently stand here and make that decision.